wa for Jona Wheeler. So here's what the car give point of my car for you well. What else say I've got on a queera?
Abusia Ga Manye na ekoso Accra abusia foni bi akwaje interlocutory injunction edito eye no so se omo ambo omo amane eyie nti eye no nka court fa injunction to so court ahwehwe mu akohu se ehun enseden ni sabi mfaso bia na se omo enseden ni any evidences bia omo agada like to some extent na ebetumi aka say omo said any case nti court asan yi interlocutory injunction no afiri ho asese ya yie no ekoso so wo hwe screen so obehu say pictures na videos na ebo no eno ano no yie no ekoso cultural displays bibia ekoso fefef omo atumi akosie no fefef bibia ekoso yie no ye hwe mu say ombetumi aye akoduru no wie sane omohyehyɛ no na za wo hwɛ Kaneshie area mu ho nyina so obehu sɛ shops bia entumi mbie omon bie shop bia ɛwɔ Kaneshie ho omo atu shop bia omo atu shop bia atum no operation hwe enko eno an sɛ yie na eko omo design ho nyina black and red ba bia ata e was awde kwam so black and red na eko so e kire say that symbolize mourning and say symbolize say yie wo ho and say nimbre aduru nti e was say obia conforming and act as such. We so at the yako ama abusianfo ni nyina memamu nyina yako na nyame na ema na onwa so na osan eje
kabanyo adaba kankin na bikwe no adaba te sa tafu bimi
abusian second story memfa mu nko amano kakra Isreal Palestines war no you know that be da sorry bia no different updates eba nyina sad stories actually say ntokwa no escalate rather than your expectation na was in can reduce escalated than the bia so say am no ka say reports actually say nimpa dodo omo wu so far no omo ye more than estimated more than to 12,000 plus na senior na 3,000 plus say nimpa dodo mortality rate nimpa dodo omo wu no omo boro for 12,000 nti ye hwe anim say bibi betumi omo betumi aye anase mpanyimfo omo wiase betumi aye bibia fa ho ana eno na UN General Assembly ekohia di nhyiamu na nhyiamu ni nyina decision na omo de ba ne say omo oda the two countries to cease fire immediately omo pe immediate fire ceasefire sene ya omo betumi use diplomatic measures calm situation no down amicably, not anything like let's employ troops or let's deploy troops or anything of that sort. Akoto Israel for so every say omona fa adeno World Cup if you say Israel ena omo ye most of the distractions are ekoso to say omo akọ Gaza akọ blast akọ bomb omo social amenities, infrastructure and a whole lot of things. And civilians no so omo kum omo no omo yebetumi akasa about 99% Israel for na kum omo omo de blames ni nyina ma Israel kire say ebetumi aye say yebefa no say we na akose ntokwa no anase bibi say ebetumi ade ama Israel na man for enye settings say ebia how did the killings go about or something by time almost starting ntokwa first no the first and 7 na Hamas echo strike Israel first no omo chi manfo bi Israel ho echo pair baabi kipi omo baabi sene ya ntokwa no omo ntumi emfa so nkum omo chi manfo no, but they captured some people and then they kept them somewhere. Nti ende na omo ko release some of them omo survive it so far. By reports actually say omo kum manfo bebre numbers na omo achi omo tum omo kum bebre omo release omo so far no baako abekasa ose time Hamas for eba ho no omo behave it say terrorists that senior terrorists for omo ba na omo kum manfo indiscriminate omo nya no sa omo de omo ba no Hamas for kura na chi omo ekos pair ba bi de omo ko share na omo start attack no say omo attack military omo attack civilians Hamas for ba Israel no omo attack civilians omo de omo target military na nti eba omo yes ebe dani war we no omo Hamas for echi omo ko pair ba bi ko tum no omo Israel army akwachi omo akum bebre wudie na course ya record in the early part ya record say omo kum man for 100,400 and something no Hamas for na omo kum man for sa Israel for na omo san kum omo krum for no bia say na nka omo kum omo wia obi bedwen say Hamas for na kokum man for enti no omo retaliate nti omo kum omo no omo kum omo nyina nti we na oba otumi survive eba out no omo release no ono na omo report no kire say Hamas for de omo ba ho no omo na omo chi omo kotum ba omo chi omo kotum wie na ntokwa na be start no omo asanko omo anye omo hwe omo ha ma obia by echire no omo ko Hamas for ko wie na Israel army hame omo ekum omo wuye no like omo kum omo de ahye Hamas for sene obi bedwin say Hamas for akokum ma for ndi sa na ekoso ndi o share mortality na nimpa omo wuye bebre na about 99% Israel for na akum omo ndi say ebetumi aba say sanctions I wouldn't predict what will happen, but then we'll share the two countries say Israel and Palestine, we'll share the two countries near would deserve it so be facing sanctions pa Israel if we say omo na ban wudia omo ye no more if we say omo akọ Gaza akọ attack civilians asanko attack omo hospital like they've thrown bombs everywhere, indiscriminate killing, indiscriminate attacks that they have mounted against Gaza, which is not part of the rules of which is seriously against the rules of war. Nti omo follow the rules of war, omo demrano share omo nsam nya omo pe. Nti ntokwa na ekoso Isreal Palestines UN General Assembly order omo say omo njan ntokwa na omo ceasefire immediately na omo seize there. I don't know what will happen, but then there is an order from UN General Assembly that they should cease fire, and then they will then probe into the issue to look at how they are going to solve it amicably with diplomatic measures so that it don't turn into a third world war or anything unexpected. We share social media handles so to say Facebook, YouTube, Netflix and the rest. Nina ewo out there omo omo block this video in all social media handles. So social video now. But then this is the written report that has come showing or indicating that the killings that have gone on are all done by Israelis. They did everything in the just to defame Hamas. This is what is going on. For more updates like this, Abusia, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that any new video we drop, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for joining. Please like the video, comment and share.
You are for Jonah Wheeler. So here's what the car you bring to Fuma Wakara for you well. What else say I've got on a